Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm 27. I've been type 1 diabetic for 6 years. At first I was misdiagnosed as a type 2 because of my obvious chub. But I had lost a ton of weight without trying, which is a classic sign of type 1, so they should have known better. Anyway, after a few years of misdiagnosis, I finally got on multiple daily insulin injections. Managed me somewhat, but my numbers were still all over the place. 3 weeks ago, I got my insulin pump. It's purple, and it's a Medtronic Paradigm 722. It has changed my life so much. Literally, my HbA1c was at 8.3 at the beginning of December. If I calculate it out right now, based on my average insulin or glucose readings from the last 3 weeks, I'm at 5.8, which is normal. It's amazing how much better I feel. Sometimes it's kind of annoying being tethered, with all this tubing attached to me, but it's definitely manageable. I'll take a little bit less comfort over feeling so much better. I just wanted to say I feel great, and I'm finally a happy diabetic.